Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Bridget. If you are new to my channel, go ahead and hit that red subscribe button down below. If you are interested and ready to see my video, stay tuned. So finished that. Now I'm going to start putting the stuff in there, which I think is just going to be the glue. I had kids bring me glue because I use them for my interactive notebooks and my bell ringers. So I'm going to fill up the glue bottles and then put them in this rolling cart and probably set it back there. They'll have it easy access because it was at the front of the room, but I'm just trying to streamline it a little bit. So yeah, see you guys in a little. Plants are still doing good. That board is the favorite thing that I have in my classroom. And then I have gotten the rest of my letters. Then that board, I still have a whole bunch of trash. I did fill up my glue bottles. I didn't even have to open those two big ones, so that was nice. So I think I'm going to do a little bit more organizing, straightening up, and then storing stuff away and start making a huge pile for trash. Still don't know what I'm gonna do with this board. And then I'll probably get out of here. Hey guys, so I am currently at McDonald's about to get some breakfast before I head over to the school. I have practice at 10, so I'm gonna try to go to my classroom, drop some stuff off, and then go from there. My room is getting pretty much together, so I don't have much to do, but I do have some organizing. Hey guys, I am about to eat. I'm so hot and tired, but I don't have much left in my classroom, so I'm going to be organizing some papers, more so like worksheets, assignments. I don't know why the bells are on right now. It's July. But yeah, I'm going to be working on organizing some papers, but I'm going to eat first because I'm starving, so I'll check back in with you guys in a little bit. All right, so I am finished eating. I painted these yesterday and let them dry overnight. I don't know why, but black is just so clean to me, so it looks so nice. So now I just have to put the labels on there that I made, and then switch out this here because it's too big compared to the other ones. There's my table. It turned out good. Now I'm going to be attacking this to-do list. Really, the only thing I need to do is this, which is the binders that I have over there to put this, the papers in that are in my file cabinet. So I had bought some binders now that Walmart is having their back to school sale. So I have these 1-inch binders, which I'm gonna put labels on them. So I gotta make those when I get home. I just use PowerPoint to make my labels. So I didn't want the plastic ones because I think those are way too flimsy, but I like these, and they were like $1 and some change. So after that, that's my biggest project. I'll move these over to my teacher area. Still have trash to clean up. Hi, so I am currently at Walmart because I realized that I needed a few more binders. So I think I'm gonna go in and get 3 more and then go back to the school and start organizing. That's my biggest project today, is organizing. So I will pick back up with you guys in a little bit. All right, so you know how you go into Walmart, but you come out with things that you didn't go in there for. That's me. I did get my binders, so I didn't forget that. The most important thing I went in there for. And then I got some dividers. I didn't really want the colored ones, but that's pretty much what they had. And they had like the manila envelope colored, but whatever. Then I got some wooden pencils. I didn't know they had sharpened ones. So I got these. I already have pencils sitting out already, but you always need extra. Then I picked up a few more scissors. I'm gonna use this for my markers to hang from my board. And then I got some college rule paper. So I am going to work on this huge stack of papers right here. And then pick up with you guys in a little bit. Bye. All right, so I only have these two sections left. They're gonna need their own folder, which I do have enough folders, but I ran out of sheet protectors. So, and also I need help figuring out what to do with this board. So if you have any suggestions, shoot them in the comments below and help me out, because I don't want to leave this board blank, but I have no idea what to do with it or what to use it for. So I'm gonna head out of here. I'm gonna go home and make some labels for my binders. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.